Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Windows Server 2019 in VMware Pro. Okay, now let's start the VMware Workstation Pro. And click on icon Create a new virtual machine. Here we can use typical or custom option to install our virtual machine, so I will select the typical and click Next. Here I select the Install Disk Image File ISO, and I click on Browser to select my Windows Server image file. After select the Install ISO file already, just click on Next. We can put the license key here, but it's just the testing, so I don't put it and skip this part by click Next. So here we can change the location that store the file of our VMware machine. And I will put in folder VM and create new folder name Server 2019 second. Specify disk capacity. We can increase the disk capacity here, but I think it's enough already, so we don't change and continue by click on Next. The virtual machine already started, but I will stop and change some configuration for make it run faster. Okay, I will adjust the memory to 16 GB. And increase CPU core that can make it run more faster. Now let's start the machine by click on Start icon. Press any key. Here select the Windows Server 2019 standard STD 64-bit. And click on Next to continue installation. Then wait until the installation finish. Okay, now the installation already finish. Thanks you everyone for watching my video. We will meet again with the new video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new update video.